Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Morning, Leslie. So, what I'm seeing so far, we did push up off of this candle last night. So, we did go higher. We haven't broken the swing high over here. Um, this was kind of, I think, a 15-minute order block here. We've tapped into. Um, this is our London high, London low. So, we swept London high so far. Um, about to close the about to close the 9 a.m. candle here. So if we look at ES, we have used this current new week opening gap as support and bounced off of here. I do believe we're heading up towards this area here. So that being said, I'm pretty we're pretty bullish, but we could get this pullback here. Um, we have some equal. Um, so we do have some equal lows under here. These were our projections from yesterday's standard deviation. But I'm going to mark off these as a little bit of sell side here. This is our buy side liquidity. Our previous day lows down here. We already took yesterday's high overnight here. So far, we never took out this swing high over here yet, or tapped into this weekly gap up above us. So we could potentially see how we react off of this gap here, coming into the 10 o'clock hour. So depending on what price action gives us here, we are above midnight opening price, so that could help us in some sell situations here. So depending on what price action wants to do here, as we come into the 10 to 11 hour, we could take some sells, not directly off this gap, just watching to see how it reacts here. If we blow through it, creating another gap in this area to use as like an inversion gap to maybe continue to drive higher, because if we think of the weekly profile here, Monday and Tuesday we came down. Tuesday we rallied up, and now this could be Tuesday low of the week here. So let's see if I can pull this up really quickly. Tuesday low of the week, push something like this today into Thursday, then rally Friday. So let's see, here was Monday. Yeah, so we're looking at something like this into today's price action here. We do have this hourly gap here. Let me put this Hourly fair value gap. Anything on the 15 minutes? This 15 minutes. All right, let's see here. So start of the silver bullet window. Main chat. Okay, so would this be a market order or limit order? So we're gonna everything I do is market order, but you're feel free to trade however you feel more comfortable. Nothing is set yet. I'm just watching price action right now. So I just have this level pre 10 a.m. to see how we react here. If we rally higher, we have this low, high, lower, low. And these two up close candles would become our support as a breaker. But if we reject here, break this swing low, leaving a gap, depending on where our pullback is, we could potentially catch a gap down. Sell side liquidity here gives us more than 5 points. So it's a nice move there, depending on how the candle is set up to give us enough room for a sell side. We have moved up pretty nicely since London open, dropped down, then rallied higher here. So let's see what this little indicator. So this guy's giving us this one. So depending on how this closes here, this is what we're going to be looking to do here. PR5, and then the R10 here. I don't know if price is going to come back for us. Kevin Spear, you look like a Wall Street guy. So we get He said pictures do wonders. All right, can we get tagged in here? Here we go. Oh. So I am in here. Alrighty, so first TP will be here. In case you guys wanted to see this. That I am in this trade. All right. So I would really like it to move away quickly here and not mess around. Currently hovering around 2.5 points. Minute gap, but tap this low. Nice, Jay. Damon. No real news this morning either. We had Canadian news at 10 a.m. And that's about it. So hopefully we can respect this gap here and drive down. Kind of just messing around here. But we shall see. We can at least get our 5 here or take sell side before we run higher. So small little counter trend trade here. Come on, can we push down? There we go. Very nice, very nice. Can we break these lows here? So if you look at the candle bodies so far, we've respected this low here, which is the bottom half of this 15-minute fair value gap. So I would like it, yeah, I like it to do that and just respect it. We wicked below here. So I really would like, there we go, nice body closure. See if we can continue down here. Almost. Come on, spread. Spread, I'm at 4.5. Almost 5 points. .8, there's 5. All right, how many seconds? 25 seconds on this candle. I'm gonna look to trail my stops to 5 here. $12, $11, $10. All right, trailing my stops to 5 here. If I get tapped out, that's fine. I'll secure my 5 points. But if it decides to dump, then we can trail it down and catch a little runner. So, okay, so I'm out there. 5 points. I will take it. Oh, the spread gave me 4.7, but that's all right. That's a win for me. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Caught about 10 for the win. Let's go, Geo. Nice. So if you didn't trail, what you can do now, I would go at least break even or close partials. We do have this gap here now, but see how we swept sell side just suddenly here. So what we could do now is, since we took sell side, the next objective would be taking these buys up here, this buy side up here. If not, your checkpoints would be this gap to respect, and then this gap to respect, and then your last line of defense would be this last 1 minute gap here to protect you. So if you get a candle body that closes above this middle gap here, I would maybe look to close half of your position to limit risk. So we'll see how this reacts there if you're still in. So this was our 5 points. Does anyone have any questions here about that trade? Risky. so far respected this gap. So if you're still in this holding, your next target would be 10 points here, which I believe is this is the 1 hour gap. This is your 1 hour fair value gap. So this is your 15. So this one's actually a bullish one here. So I took the trade too, but I wasn't sure because buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity weren't taken out when we entered the trade. So Stefan, what you can do is look, if we look here, what gave me a little bit more confidence to take this sell was we had taken London high. So if you come back to like the midnight price and just look to see, this is the London high and low here. So we took the London high here very aggressively before 10 a.m. So we needed to take some sell side. We had this small pullback pre New York Open. And so all I was doing was watching price action, right? So this candle gave us some nice displacement. So this candle was showing aggressively move down. The body closed below 2 swing lows here. And then just getting in the trade and then managing to see how we respect this gap with the candle bodies, right? So as long as you're not over risking on your account or over leveraging, got out by mistake, still working at okay. Magic keys, TP picture. Dude, I just got magic keys too, and I have not messed with it because there's a lot of settings and I don't want to push the wrong button. So, but I do have it. I just got it. So I feel you on that one, Jay. So this 15-minute, yeah, the close half button easier. I got rid of mine, didn't like it, Damon. I mean, yeah, if it doesn't help your trading, then why keep it, right? But if it helps you and can help you on your risk management, then for sure. So this 15-minute was a bullish fair value gap, and then we have this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. So you have kind of a balanced price range here. So this would have been a nice continuation. If you didn't get in up here, you could have got in here for a quick 5. If you came in late to the session, let's see, we would have got in this gap here and used your 5 there. Does sell side give you 5? Close. You could catch 5 into this 1 hour there. So that would be like a continuation. And then potentially London low. Go take out London low there. So that would have been your 5 there and done for the day. So you want to just kind of pair the nice JL. Let's go. You want to pair like PD arrays, like fair value gaps on different time frames, and then watch the price action, right? We can still use price action in that with the ICT concept, because like he says, and I preach all the time too, is the candles tell the story and the wicks do the damage. So you want to watch how the candle bodies close, and that'll tell you a lot. But when you have a bullish and a bearish gap overlapping like this, that's what's considered a balanced price range, or what's called as also known as an inversion gap. So this 15-minute was used as almost like an upside down gap. So once we came below it, created another gap, respected it. Now we have an inversion gap, or an easier way would be like an upside down gap. So if you're trailing this, trail at least get your 10. We have a small gap I can pull back into, but let's see how it respects this 1 hour fair value gap. The next area I see here would be maybe these equal lows in here, maybe in here. There's a small little gap, but we have 11 o'clock coming up there. So usually what the lunch hour likes to do, if I turn on this template here. So we have this gray dark shaded area is the lunch hour. So if we look at the 15-minute, let me hide some drawings here. I just want to hide them. I don't want to. So depending on how this candle closes, and then next couple hours, if we continue bearish, Jasper's crushing it. Let's go, Jasper. There's this 15-minute here. This is a London low. What we could do potentially, what I might see happening in lunch is coming up and taking out this 15-minute candle high wick, and possibly driving lower to take out London if it doesn't take out London low, and then maybe rallying up, back up to end the day. If we think of it like a candle here, is your open, right? Your bottom wick, your top wick, and we'll see where we close for the day. So we still have this objective above us on the higher time frame here. So as you can see, yesterday, or this week rather, we have we broke the swing high, right, with a market structure shift, fair value gap, displacement on this Friday, June 2nd candle. We left a daily gap, tapped into it yesterday, and then rallied from it. So we have these equal highs here as buy side. So we could we tapped near the lows of yesterday, but I see us expanding up this week still. But that doesn't mean you can't catch some shorts on the intraday. So, but definitely still bullish here. At least sweeping this buy side. See what ES is doing. ES is same thing. We had this gap tapped into, and I see us running this high here from June 5th. So with that being said, I'm done early for the day, so I'm gonna go have some breakfast and get my day started. Maybe we'll be back for the PM session today and just watch price action. But if you've already won today, don't give your money back to the markets. you know, if you're trying to trade the PM session, ask yourself why. There's no need to overtrade. Yeah, I know. So, but with that being said, I will catch you guys later. Feel free to you start your day with us. I'm gonna walk away till tomorrow. There you go, Jay. See you, JL. See you guys. Appreciate each and every one of you for being in the Zoom with us and in the community. Appreciate you guys. Hopefully I was able to help you guys catch some wins this morning, and we'll continue to just keep crushing it, man. DM me. DMs are always open, set up one-on-ones. You know, let me know if there's any questions about anything. I'm always here to help. But until next time, guys, trade safe.
I'm gonna try and be here for a PM session if you're gonna be in here, but I have to go get my brother, so I'll see.
Okay, RJ, bro.
But other than that, I'll see you in a bit, bro.
Later, broski. Later, Cindy. Thank you.
All right, deuces, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.
Later. Thanks, Gio. Later, guys.